Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Daniel from Woodworking with Dash. And today, as you see, we're not in the shed today at the moment. We're inside my house. The past couple of years I've been making a lot of boxes. I made 70 for the book that I published. 70 box projects for the beginner and intermediate woodworker. It's available on Amazon. So I've given a lot of them away, but I've still got a heap. And I've been making them for the YouTube channel. So I've got a lot of boxes. And behind me I've got a cabinet that I hold some of my boxes in. But I need to make a hutch, not a hatch. I need to make a hutch for it now on top. So that's what we'll be making today. A hutch out of 1/2 inch birch ply. So follow along. Also, I'm not just into box making or in woodwork. I like art. I like making my 3D art. As you see in the picture behind me, this is one of my 3D art pieces. Frameless panels that are prints stuck onto perspex with an aluminium composite backing with a optical clear film. Very hard to do. And this machine in front of you is a laminator. That's what I use to do the printmaking with. And I'll show you some of my 3D art now and my printmaking. These are some of my boxes in the lower cabinet. That's why we need to make another one. This is an 8-piece dinner setting that I made, which we will be making in further episodes. Around the corner, I've got a lot of boxes just stacked on the table at the moment, and also on my funky furniture. You see that? Very funky. It's not everyone's cup of tea, but I like it. My 3D art. This is called another piece of my 3D art. It's called the nest. You can see the bird's beak poking out of the top, and its gullet, which is the Jarrah zigzag piece. The big marble piece is its eye. Just something cool. It's called the piece above the chimney is called the hat rack. It's made out of timber and paint. This piece here is called Entanglement. It's made out of 6 mm aluminium tubes that I just twist my hand in all different shapes and attach the leaves. So it reminds me of a blackberry bush. Remember the blackberry bushes they were all entangled and they had little flowers at the end? Well, this reminds me of that. Very unique. This is one of my prints. This is called Punk Girl. I get that print and I make various colour corrections in the same print and then put it on a panel. Another one of my prints. A bit of graffiti work up there. From Melbourne, from Williamstown, and I've altered it to see all the different colours in the buildings. I pan down, then I've got some more funky furniture, some more boxes. One is called Explosion. It's just an explosion of colour, all these different round discs, all protruding at different levels. Very funky. This is one of my favourites. There's a couple, I've sold a few of these overseas actually, in Singapore and America. It was called the Crooked Track. It's just a railway platform, and I've manipulated the track so it's crooked, and as you see there, it's got no bikes in the first class compartment. Alright guys, we're back in the shed. Hope you like the tour of my art and my photo panels. And now it's time to work. I've cut some birch ply roughs so I can fit up. So each unit's going to be 890 by 1200. And 230 deep. 230 for one of them and 190 for the other one, but I've got a heater at the back of the wall there that sticks out about 30 mil, so I'll allow another 10 mil for it to go. Alright, and this is the best saw to do it on, a paddle saw, but that's what it's made for, and I'll show you how easy it is. Okay guys, you see how easy the panel saw made cutting panels, and it's dead easy with the panel saw, and all the shelves. Now I'll mark out for the shelves. There is a top, but there is no bottom. The hutch had the first shelf with 300 up from the bottom, because the bottom will sit on the existing top inside the house there, because it's a hutch and it hasn't got a bottom in it. I've marked out where the holes go, and I've pre-drilled a 4mm hole in the front and the back, so I can just screw them together when I get inside the house. Hey guys, I'm in the living room now, ready to put this together. I'm putting it together with chipboard screws, 8 gauge countersink chipboard screws, 35mm long. They work right into 1/2 inch, but they've got a coarse thread on them, and they just pull themselves in, which is good. And I'm just setting everything up for the lines. Again, you notice that I'm working on the laminator, but I'm old and I can't bend, so I work up high. So it's just a matter of screwing them together. Couple of backs for them now, and then we'll screw the backs on with some smaller screws. I mean, when you're putting backs on, there's no need to glue. You can glue if you like, but I don't normally glue, and I just screw them on cold. When you're screwing on backs, start with one long edge first, get that straight, and then pull whatever you need to pull. I do one long edge and one bottom. I just pull to this corner till it's perfect, and then the rest goes where it goes. So just how you do it back. That way you make sure everything's square. So you start with one long edge. And this unit covers the old heater on the wall. That's fine, but it's not working, it's redundant. And they're level at the front. And the top, the carving top, is like the bottom shelf. So it's what you call a hutch. So they come up good now. Now, with any tall cabinets like this, especially the skinny ones, you've got to pin them back to the wall. Because if you load them up with boxes, and if you've got kids, they climb up on them, and they can pull them over. So you must pin them back to the wall, screw them back to the wall. But I took everything out, and there's a lot of boxes there that we have to sort out. Have some of them down there. So we have a lot of boxes to make for the YouTube channel. I'm going to show you how to make just about all of these boxes, step by step. As you can see, I've got all my boxes out, and now I'm going to start packing them in my new unit. I'll fix the unit back to the wall so it's nice and strong, so it's not going to fall over, so it's nice and strong there. Also, I've got a nut in the other room where I keep boxes too. So I'll put my good ones on display, and I'll put the other ones in the other room. So we've got a heap of boxes to make for the YouTube channel. Boxes like this one there. That's one we have a made there. Hue and Pine and Blackwood. Magnificent box. Anyway, I'll sort everything out now. And all stacked with boxes. I've still got some shelf area in the other room which I can use, which is good, but I was getting a bit carried away. Anyway, it's all good. I got my table back. Yay! And I still got some boxes on the punky furniture. That's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Making a hutch to get my boxes in. Come up good. yeah, so please subscribe, ring the bell. I'm only a new channel, if you know. I'm looking for subscribers. So I'm trying to give you guys value for your time. That's what you call it. Value for your time. Anyway, we'll see you in the shed on the next video. Bye for now.